Welcome to QuickBooks Payroll. During this tutorial, you learn how easy it is to manage your payroll with QuickBooks and a QuickBooks Payroll subscription. When you're ready to use QuickBooks to pay employees, click this link. Tell us how many employees you have and answer a few more questions. We'll help you choose the payroll service that's right for you. After you select a payroll service, the next step is to complete your payroll setup. Click the Employees menu and select Payroll Setup. QuickBooks opens the Payroll Setup Guide. Click Continue, and QuickBooks guides you step by step through the setup of your compensation items and employee benefits. Then you set up your employees, taxes, and any payroll history for the current year. QuickBooks even reviews your setup for accuracy. After you complete the setup, your home page displays payroll tasks. You access your payroll tasks and information from one location, called the Employee Center, and it's easy to get to the Employee Center. When you click most payroll tasks on the home page, we'll automatically take you to the right place within the Employee Center. Click Employee Center. From this one location, you can work with your employee list, all the payroll transactions you've already entered, and you can perform payroll activities. Let's look at the employee list. This list works just like your customer and vendor list. When you select an employee, you see the contact information for that employee in the upper right side of the window, and payroll reports for the selected employee. To the lower right, you see transactions for that employee. Click the Transactions tab. Just like your Vendor Center and Customer Center, you can find all employee-related transactions under the Transactions tab. Click on any of these folders, and QuickBooks displays the related payroll transactions to the right. Click the Payroll tab. This is the Payroll Center. Use this window to complete your three main payroll tasks: paying employees, paying taxes and liabilities, and processing payroll tax forms like 941s and W-2s. Let's look at the first payroll task, paying employees. Click Pay Employees and enter your payroll information in this window. You can pay all your employees or just the employees you select. And if you always pay a specific group of employees at the same time, you can set up payroll schedules to pay them together. QuickBooks calculates earnings and taxes for you. You can pay your employees with direct deposits, or you can print paychecks directly from your PC. When you set up a payroll schedule, QuickBooks reminds you when to pay employees and even adjusts for bank holidays. And when it's time to pay taxes and liabilities, you can pay your taxes from this one list. This includes payroll taxes and other liabilities like medical or dental insurance. QuickBooks groups and calculates the taxes that can be paid together and shows you if a payment is overdue, due, or upcoming. QuickBooks also lists when to send or pay each tax and liability. And with an enhanced payroll subscription, you can pay many taxes electronically. If you don't want to pay your own taxes, consider the Assisted Payroll service. With this service, we handle your tax payments for you, accurately and on time, or we pay the penalties. QuickBooks Payroll makes it easy to complete and file payroll tax forms, and you choose your level of involvement. With Basic Payroll, you need to file forms manually or work with your accountant to file forms. With Standard Payroll, you can process your federal forms in QuickBooks. With Enhanced Payroll, you can process federal forms and most state forms. You can also e-file certain forms. And with Assisted Payroll, we do all the work filing forms and paying taxes. Certain features are subject to availability. With Standard and Enhanced Payroll, QuickBooks automatically fills in your federal forms. You just print, sign, and mail. And if you subscribe to the Enhanced Payroll service, click this link for a list of forms you can file electronically. QuickBooks provides plenty of help and support to make you more accurate and confident. Click the Learning Resources toolbar at the top of the Employee Center to access other tutorials and useful links. And you get free payroll support using our callback feature. After you select a payroll service and set up your payroll, we recommend you watch the other payroll tutorials for more detailed instruction on specific payroll transactions. To learn more about QuickBooks, select another tutorial from the Learning Center.